Welcome to Footsteps Now. My name is Kwame. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a BenefitsCal account. If you live in the state of California, BenefitsCal is the new platform to use to manage and apply for benefits. So whether you're applying for food assistance, cash aid, or medical assistance, this is the platform to use. Now, the plan is to migrate all counties in California to this platform, and majority of the counties have been migrated already. So previously, you may have been using See for Yourself or MyBenefitsCalWIN or Yourbenefitsnow, depending on the county that you were living in. You may have been using one of these platforms. Well, the plan is to migrate everybody to this new platform. Now, if your county has migrated to this new platform, and you had an account on the old platform, you need to create an account on BenefitsCal and then link your case to this platform before you can view your benefits and manage your benefits on this platform. So everything is not just going to transfer. You have to create a new account and link your case to it. So what does that mean? Well, I am going to walk you through. It's very simple. It's a very quick process to create an account. So I'm going to walk you through that and the information you need to be able to successfully create an account and get access to the platform. Now, I'm also going to show you what it looks like once you've successfully created an account, how the BenefitsCal platform looks like. So before I get into anything, if you are new to our channel, I want to urge you to subscribe and hit that subscribe button, because this whole entire Footsteps Now platform is dedicated to updating you on anything that is happening that may affect your benefits. Any news, updates, or changes that are coming in and out of Congress that may positively or negatively affect your benefits, we want to let you know. And by subscribing, you'll be notified when we post a new video. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do to apply to create an account on BenefitsCal is to go to the BenefitsCal website. And this is what it looks like. So it's benefitscal.com. Make sure that you're on the right platform and the right URL. So as you can see at the top, it's benefitscal.com. Once you get here, I can just give you a quick walkthrough. As it says on the screen, you can use this platform to apply for benefits, which means that you can upload application documents that you need. You can check the status of your application and see where you are in the process. Number two, you can manage your benefits, which means that you can upload documents that are due. You can check deadlines and also process your renewal here. So when your benefits comes up for renewal, you can come on this platform, fill out the information, and upload the documents that are needed. Now, if things change, if your financial situation changes and you need to update your county about that, you can come here and do that. So that is the website. As you can see, you can apply for food aid, cash aid, and healthcare coverage. So this is what the website looks like. So let's get right into the creating the account process. So to create an account, you're going to click on the top right hand side under the login button is create an account. So when you click that, it will bring you here. Next, click on create an account. And then this is the website, the web page, where you're going to enter everything to create an account. The first thing you need to do is select your county. And if your county has been approved for this platform, it will tell you. So for example, if let's pick a county and see, let's say maybe Orange County. And you can see Orange County has been approved. So now you can go ahead and create an account. So I am just going to enter a dummy information to show. So let's say Joe Doe Roller. And the email is joedoeroller@gmail.com. And then password. Now with passwords, you have to make sure that you enter the right characters or the right information that they need for your password to be approved or eligible to be used. It has to be 8 characters or more. You have to have one number, one letter, and then a special character. So I am going to try and do that right now and enter the same password twice and make sure that it matches. And if it matches, oh, I think I entered the second one first. Well, we'll go with that. So let's see. All right. So I've entered my 2 passwords, and then make sure that it matches and it meets all the characters. So if it meets the requirements, you will see all the green check marks there. And then you don't have to enter a phone number, but it helps because when you need to reset your password, entering a phone number helps you to be able to get that done very quickly. So I am going to enter a fake phone number, and then since you entered the phone number, check the box so that you can receive text messages from them to help you reset your password, and then click the terms and conditions. When you click next, I'm not going to do that because I've already created an account. When you click next, it will take you to a page where you have to select security questions that will help you further access your account in case you lose your username or your password. So that is pretty much the account creation process for the BenefitsCal platform. Now let's go to what the account looks like. So once you go through the security questions, and you're going to get an email, you're going to verify that, and then now you're ready to come and log in. So you will come back to the website, click on the login at the top, and when you log in, this is what the website looks like. So when you log into BenefitsCal, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see on the right hand side, if you already have benefits, you can link the benefits, you can link your case to this account. If you want to apply, you can click on apply, start a new application, and then it will bring you here to be able to start an application. So this is what the BenefitsCal website looks like once you are successfully able to create an account and log in. So that is all I have today. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions at all about BenefitsCal and creating an account, you can ask us in the comment section below. In the bottom of the BenefitsCal website, there's also information on how to reach out to BenefitsCal. There's frequently asked questions here that you can go to that will answer most of the questions that you have. So there's a lot of information and help here, but the most important thing is that make sure that you're able to successfully create an account. So that's all we have. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so now. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video.